Macros refer to the three macronutrients that make up the foods we eat: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. A macros diet is a style of eating where people track their carbohydrates, fat and protein, and aim to eat within a certain range each day. In this meal plan, we put together 7 days of healthy 500-calorie dinners that are balanced for the three macronutrients: carbs, fat and protein, and are healthy, balanced meals to enjoy even if you are not following a macros diet. When paired with a healthy breakfast, lunch and snacks, these delicious dinners will help you meet your daily nutrient needs. So this is all about macro diet. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.